Hi, I'm Lydia from In Harmony Arts and Wellness. And today we're going to do a quick chair yoga flow focused on self love and self care. So go ahead and find a comfortable seat. Close your eyes just for one moment to just really feel the sensations in your body. Come into this present moment. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Keep breathing deeply and repeat the following affirmation. I take care of myself so that I can take care of others. I take care of myself so that I can take care of others. Slowly blink your eyes open and gently rock your head from side to side. Know that you're doing good just by taking out this little bit of time to move your body. We can't give if we don't have our own energy and have enough life force within us. Bring your head to neutral. Just roll out your shoulders a bit. And come to neutral. Inhale, reach your arms out wide. Take up a lot of space. Exhale, give yourself a hug. Notice which arm is on top. Doesn't matter which one landed on top first. Find a little free movement. You can rock side to side. You might carve out some circles or just move your elbows up and down. Just find a little free movement in this hug. Then inhale, reach your arms back out. Exhale, give yourself another hug. Bring the other arm in front. And find a little free movement once again. You can rock a little side to side, all around. Inhale, come back, open. Exhale, bring the other arm in front. So switch where you just were. And then maybe you even bring the back of your arms together or your hands together. If you're staying in the hug or if your hands are touching, try to lift your shoulders. Take a big breath in. Exhale, bow forward. Inhale, lift up again. Notice which arm's on top. Exhale here. Inhale, reach your arms out to the sides. Exhale, bring the other arm in front. Start out with a hug. Then maybe you bring the back of your arms together or your palms together. Inhale, lift your elbows up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up. Exhale here. Inhale, reach your arms, take a big stretch side to side. Exhale, release your arms down. Take another shoulder shrug. Nice. Bring your hands down onto your legs. You can scoot forward a little bit on your chair. Take an inhale and reach your chest up, lift your gaze. Find a back bend. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. One more time. Inhale, even deeper back bend. Exhale, round. And come back to neutral. Take your hands behind you. You might even scoot forward a little bit more. And then let's come into an even deeper back bend. So try to draw the shoulder blades together behind you. Lift your chest, lift your gaze. If it feels okay in your head and neck, you can drop your head back a little more. Feel your chest opening here as you breathe deeply. Maybe you feel a little more energized in this shape as you're opening up the front of your body. Take another big breath in. Exhale, slowly come back to neutral. Lift your right leg. I'm going to mirror you here and cross it over your left. So you're making a figure four. And hold on to your foot and your leg. You might stay right here. We're going to be working into our hips now. So this is a nice juicy stretch for the hip. This is an area we might hold a lot of tension. So this is great for finding some self-care, self-love, and just releasing these big muscles. So choose to stay here, or if you want to go a little deeper, then you might start to fold forward. You might notice that this brings a little bit more sensation into the outside of your hip. I just noticed that my pants have a sticker on them here. Was playing with my 1-year-old a little earlier. This is my brief moment of self care today. Inhale, lift all the way back up and drop your leg back down. Let's switch sides. So cross your left leg now over your right, or the opposite one you were just on. Hold on to your foot and ankle and just start out here. Just assess how it feels. And if you want to go a little further, you can start to fold forward. Take a few deep breaths and just imagine that with each breath, you're letting go of something. You might even feel your body physically letting go through your hip muscles. Slowly lift back up. Release your leg down. Just find a little free movement so you can lift your legs up and down. Maybe bring your legs out wide and just windshield wiper your knees from side to side, rotating your hips a little freely on the chair. Just find a little free movement. That feels good. And then inhale, sweep your arms all the way up. Exhale, hinge from your hips, fold forward. Your hands can dangle, or you might bring them behind your legs and just let yourself rest here. Let your head relax down. We're going to take this as our final pose. Let your head feel heavier and heavier. Feel your body relaxing a little further into this shape the longer you're here. See if you can squeeze yourself a little bit tighter, like you're giving yourself a hug in this shape. Come back to your affirmation. I take care of myself so that I can take care of others. And slowly lift yourself up and know that just by giving yourself this bit of time, you're doing good for yourself, but you're also being able to be there more for your family, your friends, just by being a little bit more balanced and centered here. All right, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.